In this video, I'll show you how to copy text from Telegram channel. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram. If for any reasons you want to copy text from Telegram channel, what you're going to do right now, you can join the Telegram channel you want to copy the text from, right? So I'm currently in this channel. And for me to copy this text, you're going to right click your mouse, right? You're going to see the copy, right? Copy it. Once I've copied it, you can see that I just copied text from this Telegram channel, right? So if I want, I can send that to anyone, right? Because I've already copied the text. So you can see I'm gonna paste this right now. You can see I already copied the text, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna right click your mouse, right? You're gonna copy the text from your preferred Telegram channel. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the next one.